Jaloso ilo pinyo wacho migosi Mwaura odiochieng' ma kawuono ni endi okawo thuolo mare makende mar kwayo ne oganda jo Kenya Hawi Maber mag nyasi go mag Pasaka kendo bende kwayo jo Kenya mondo mi obed motang' e kinde duto bende koro gitiyo kanyendo koda peini e pacho kaendi e yoregi mag wuoth kinde ni mag Pasaka. Okwayo kanyo bende josiasa mathur kaendi ma bende osebedo ka pupni koni kod kocha mondo koyie to miker mathur kaendi migosi William Samuel Ruto thuolo makare moromo mar mondo mi otine oganda jo Kenya ka bende yango kanyo ni Ruto osechwalo dongruoge makare ne oganda jo Kenya e thuolo matin mar higni 3.
Fellow Kenyans, the government takes this opportunity to wish you a good Friday and happy Easter holidays. Please travel. Be careful on our roads. Enjoy the moments. Connect with family. We are very, very blessed because schools have now closed, so families are going to have a nice time. And always remain patriotic and nationalistic because we have only one country to serve. Thank you. Happy Easter holidays. There are some claims that some leaders have made, in some function, trying to insinuate that they are the only ones who can unite the country, and they really went at length to explain, how they themselves were better suited to lead the country. In fact, most of the leaders that we see who are castigating this regime that we saw when they were speaking in Kirinyaga are basically people who have been in government. And I think you can actually tell they are suffering from the nostalgia of government. But we want to say this and very clearly and categorically as a government. Let them give His Excellency President William Ruto the time to deliver on his promises to Kenyans. He has already done a lot. No other president has done as much within 3 years than him, considering where we took this country from, after the 2022 general elections. And so therefore it is very preposterous for them to make insinuations and innuendos. The truth of the matter is the president keeps his word. He is very committed. He has a way with the people, and that is why the whole country is resonating, is resonating with his programs.